While you were busy admiring all the shiny new AI features on your phone, someone else was building a digital Trojan horse. Not out of wood this time. Out of code, and it's already deep inside your defenses. They call it convenience. Summarizing your emails, drafting replies, scanning your apps, even your whole web history. But this isn't just some helpful assistant. It's an unconstrained AI super user with privileged access to your digital life. Big tech is locked in a race to get this AI agent onto all your devices. Google, Apple, Meta, Microsoft, they all want an AI that can see and do anything across every app on every device. There's a single detail buried in the fine print that should genuinely worry you. I'll get to it. This includes your encrypted messaging apps, WhatsApp, iMessage. That end-to-end encryption you thought protected you? The AI just bypasses it. It's like nation-state malware, except you willingly installed it right onto your phone's operating system. And these local AI models you hear about, they're almost always useless. Too small, too dumb to do anything truly helpful. So for anything that actually matters, your data has to go to the cloud. Once it hits the cloud, it lands on their servers. Google and OpenAI explicitly reserve the right to use your private data, yes, even the content of your supposedly secure end-to-end encrypted messages to train their AI models. And they'll have human reviewers look at it. They keep all that data, bundled with your location, device ID, and IP address. This isn't an upgrade, it's a wholesale privacy invasion. Decades of progress in on-device processing and encryption. Gone. All for the convenience of an AI that can summarize your emails. Every single large AI model out there is vulnerable to what's called prompt injection. It's a hack where you trick the AI into doing something malicious. Instructions to cook meth. Install malware. Reveal your passwords. It's all on the table. Researchers have already proven you can fool these all-seeing, all-scanning AIs. They can do it with indirect prompt injection attacks, using tiny fonts, invisible text on websites, even unskippable ads or audio frequencies beyond human hearing. These attacks can make the AI go completely rogue. It can override its own safety settings, install malicious apps, navigate to fraudulent websites, hand over your credit card details or passwords, and it's not even that hard. If you can talk to ChatGPT, you can hack it. This essentially democratizes hacking, making it scalable and automated. Imagine compromising entire political establishments or media outlets for espionage, blackmail, or simple disruption. You invited the Trojan Horse in. Now it's opening the gates for literally everyone. Apple's big privacy promises? Mostly a marketing ploy. Their own AI attempts were apparently a complete disaster, hilariously wrong. Not because they cared about privacy, but because their AI efforts just sucked. The team was reportedly nicknamed Aimless. Apple Intelligence will be just as much of a privacy invasion and security risk as any other corporate AI. They have to do it to compete with Google's Gemini. And they'll be delegating tasks to OpenAI's ChatGPT, which has absolutely zero privacy infrastructure. A study called Android OS Privacy Under the Loop. A tale from the East looked at phones from Xiaomi, Oppo, and OnePlus. Found that Chinese OS distributions transmit a huge range of your personal information to both the phone vendors and third-party domains. This includes your exact geolocation, detailed user profiles, even your social relationships, all without telling you, without offering any way to opt out. Even if you're nowhere near China, they collect your data, then they collect your foreign contacts data. It's a goldmine. The global versions of these phones are a bit better, thanks to regulations like GDPR. But the core data collection behavior, the underlying infrastructure, that doesn't change. Your phone is a Trojan horse beaming data back to Troy. If that doesn't sound completely insane to you, I don't know what to tell you. Hit like so YouTube doesn't pretend this story isn't happening. They call me the AI Godfather because I've seen every single one of these coming. If you'd rather know when it's about to happen to you, hit subscribe. I'll be here. The price of all this AI hype? Your privacy, your security, your illusion of control over your own device. You paid for the convenience. You got the Trojan Horse,